Hello everybody, my name is Violeta Laverde. I choose the Oxford Young Learners Placement Test for this assignment, and I will go through some questions. I will answer them for you, so you will have a complete idea about this exam. Okay, what is the purpose of this exam? The purpose is to evaluate two main abilities, the listening and the speaking abilities to kids. It is a great exam for children who are in a remote place or are also receiving homeschooling um, education. So that's the purpose of this exam. Let's continue with the second question. What kind of people can take this exam? It says young learners, so that's why it's for or is designed for children between 7 to 12 years old. Okay, let's go through the third question. What is the main goal of this exam? Okay, the main goal of this exam is to evaluate each student's English level in a fast and in an accurate way. It also aids people from the educational community and also parents, to differentiate their students within a mixed ability class. So they would know so fast the level of their students. Okay, what are the most significant characteristics of this exam? Well, we have a couple of them, and the first one is that you can get, an immediately and an accurate result because it's online, so you can take it through internet. So the results are so quickly, better than the other ones, you know. The second one is that the students or the learners can get the numerical and the surf level. So they would know if they are in the A level or they would know the numbers, like 60% of their score. Okay. Learners also will have fun taking this exam because it's so didactical and it has many fun characteristics that wouldn't get bored our learners, the takers. Okay, easy to manage. You wouldn't find any problem to surf in this website. So you just have to log in, or the learners have to log in, and it's pretty easy to do it. So easy to manage too. Let's continue with the next question. What skills are evaluated through the exam and how they are evaluated? Okay, as I said before, um, there are two main skills that are evaluated here. So the test is designed, um, in the following order. So they use the first level, that is language use. So they can evaluate, grammar structure, functional language, and the vocabulary. Functional language is all the language that we use every day and how we can use it in our daily routines. So they evaluate that part. And the listening skills is divided into two. Um, and the main thing that they want to evaluate is the listening skills in detail. So children have to be very attentive to these details. Okay, what scale is used to get the results? Okay, they used the SURF scale. So basic user A1 and A2. So A1 is the starters and A2 are the elementary level. And the independent user, B1. So that's the intermediate level. So they can evaluate these three levels through this exam. Okay. Okay, we already did this. Would you take that exam in the future? I think I would recommend this exam to schools or teachers or parents if they want to know in an easy and an accurate way um, the level of their students or their kids, but I wouldn't recommend it if I want to know, all the abilities. If I want to know my kid, is in the right place for writing, listening, speaking. So I would recommend another kind of exam for that situations. But yes, I would recommend it for that. If I want to obtain fast results and know the level of my students in an easy way. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you so much. Bye bye.